Ordering decimals is easy. I have to state whether one number is bigger than or less than another. So I just go digit by digit. My 3's match, here's my decimal point, my 4's are equal. All of a sudden I have 8 is bigger than 6. This decimal is bigger than that one. If you think about it, I have 486 thousandths and I have 462 thousandths. So this one's bigger. I just go digit by digit. My 2's are equal, my decimal point, my 7's are equal. 6 is less than 8. This decimal is less than this one. We'll do another one. My 7's match, my 0's match are equal my 3's. 0 is less than 7, less than. The only thing that might be a little tricky, because we finished fractions, is how do I tell whether 385 thousandths is less than or bigger than 3/8? Well, to compare, I either have to make them both fractions or both decimals. To make this a fraction, I'd have 385 thousandths and then have to simplify it. I just think it's too hard. It's easier to change the fraction to a decimal. So if you remember, 3 divided by 8, to change to a decimal, we divide the bottom into the top. The decimal, add a couple zeros, see what happens. 8 into 3 is too big. I bring up my decimal point. 8 into 30. So I'm going to have 3. 3/8 are 24. Subtract, bring down. 8 into 60. It's going to be 7. 7/8 are 56. Subtract, bring down. 8 into 40, 5. You're allowed to use a calculator, so if you want, you just take 3 divided. If I have something like this, where I have to order decimals, here, and I have 4 decimals, and I have to list them smallest to largest, so I just go digit by digit. Well, here's a whole number of 2, and there's zeros, so that's going to be my biggest one. So I'll put that over there. My smallest, I have a 0, then I have 0, so this one right away is bigger, so that can't be it. These are 2 zeros. So then I'm going to have a 0. This is 0, 1. This is 0, 6. That's too big. So these are my 2 0, 1s. Then this has a 5. This has nothing after it. If it has nothing after it, it's like there's a 0. So that's going to be my smallest one. Then my next one. I have a 0 here. I have a 0 here. This is going to be my next one. 0.0165. Then I have my 0.162. And then we can check. Here's my zeros. Here I have 160, 165. Here I have a 1 that's bigger than that 0. So you just have to be careful. Let's do this one. First of all, this has a whole number of 1. That's going to be my biggest one. So that goes there. Now I need my smallest. So I got my zeros. I got double zeros. So now right away, this is bigger. This is 0, 4. So that's going to be bigger. So this is 4, 5. This is 4, 0. You have to know that's a 0. So that's going to be my smallest one. Then I'm going to go to this one. 0.0045. Then I have my 0.4. So you just have to go digit by digit, but be careful. Good luck.